The saree is a beautiful garment worn by women in India for centuries. It is not just a piece of clothing, but a symbol of the rich cultural heritage and traditions that have been passed down through generations. It is a symbol of grace, elegance, and tradition. The saree has an unparalleled charm that transcends time and fashion trends, making it a timeless piece of attire. The saree is a long piece of fabric, usually 5 to 9 yards in length. This length allows for a variety of draping styles, each with its own unique appeal and significance. It is draped around the body in a variety of ways. The method of draping can vary based on the region, occasion, and personal preference, adding to the versatility of this garment. There are many different types of sarees, each with its unique design and fabric. From the luxurious silk sarees to the comfortable cotton ones, each type has its own charm and purpose. Some popular types of sarees include silk sarees, cotton sarees, and chiffon sarees. Each type of saree is chosen based on the occasion, weather, and personal style. Silk sarees are known for their luxurious feel and intricate designs. They are often worn during special occasions like weddings and festivals, where their rich texture and elaborate patterns can be showcased. Cotton sarees are perfect for everyday wear as they are comfortable and breathable. They are ideal for the hot and humid climate of many parts of India, providing ease and comfort throughout the day. Chiffon sarees are lightweight and flowy, making them ideal for special occasions. Their delicate fabric and elegant drape make them a popular choice for parties and formal events. In this guide, we will learn to drape a basic Navy-style saree. The Navy style is one of the most common and widely recognized ways of draping a saree. This style is perfect for beginners because it is relatively simple to drape. With a few practice sessions, anyone can master the Navy drape and wear it with confidence. Once you have mastered the basic drape, you can experiment with other styles and variations. Each style offers a different look and feel, allowing you to express your personal style and creativity. The saree is not just a piece of clothing, it is a reflection of India's rich cultural heritage. It tells the story of the country's history, traditions, and the artistry of its weavers. Each region in India has its own unique way of draping the saree. From the elegant Bengali style to the intricate Gujarati drape, each technique has its own cultural significance and beauty. This adds to the diversity and beauty of this timeless garment. The saree is a celebration of India's diversity, with each drape and design telling a unique story of its own. The craftsmanship involved in creating a saree is truly remarkable. Skilled artisans spend countless hours weaving intricate patterns and designs, ensuring that each saree is a work of art. Shopping for a saree is an experience in itself. Markets and boutiques offer a wide range of options, from traditional handloom sarees to modern designer pieces, catering to every taste and budget. Wearing a saree for the first time can be a memorable experience. It is a rite of passage for many young women, marking special occasions and milestones in their lives. The saree is often passed down from generation to generation, carrying with it the memories and stories of those who wore it before. It is a cherished heirloom that connects the past with the present. The saree transcends age, background, and social status. It is a unifying garment that brings women together, celebrating their shared heritage and individuality. Today, the saree continues to evolve, blending traditional elements with contemporary fashion. It remains a symbol of elegance and grace, worn with pride by women all over the world. Whether it is a wedding, festival, or a casual day out, the saree is a versatile and timeless choice. Its beauty and elegance make it a beloved garment that will always hold a special place in the hearts of those who wear it. Explore and order your favorite saree only at our Shennon Superstore. Do visit www.shennon.store. Before you start draping the saree, gather all the necessary materials. This preparation step ensures you have everything within arm's reach, making the draping process smoother and more enjoyable. Having your essentials ready saves time and prevents last-minute rush or panic, allowing you to focus on the art of draping. You will need a saree, the main garment, which comes in various fabrics, colors, and designs, each offering a unique look. Additionally, you will need a blouse, a petticoat, safety pins, and a pair of heels. The blouse is a fitted top worn underneath the saree. The petticoat is a long skirt worn under the saree to provide support and shape, ensuring it stays in place. Safety pins are essential for securing the saree, keeping pleats and pallu in position. Heels enhance your posture and overall look, adding elegance and making you appear taller. Choose a comfortable pair. When choosing a saree, consider the fabric, color, and design. Chiffon and georgette are lightweight and ideal for beginners. As you gain confidence, experiment with heavier fabrics like silk or cotton for a traditional and luxurious look. Opt for colors and designs that complement your skin tone and personal style, enhancing your natural beauty and confidence. Now that you have your materials ready, let's dive into the beautiful art of saree draping. This traditional attire, known for its elegance and grace, can be draped in various styles, but today we'll focus on the classic navy drape. Let's begin the draping process. Make sure you have a mirror in front of you to guide you through each step. Stand in front of a mirror to ensure each pleat and fold falls correctly. This will help you achieve a neat and polished look. Step 1. Start by tucking the plain end of the saree into the petticoat, starting from the right side of your waist and going around your back towards the left side. Ensure the saree is at floor length, so it just touches the ground. Step 2. Make about 6 to 8 pleats of equal width at the front, gathering the fabric neatly. The pleats should be around 5 inches wide, and they should fall straight and even. Hold the pleats together and tuck them into the petticoat slightly towards the left of your navel. Make sure the pleats are facing left and are secure. Step 3. Drape the remaining fabric around your back and bring it to the front over your left shoulder. This part of the saree is known as the pallu. The pallu is the decorative end of the saree, often adorned with intricate designs and embellishments. It adds a touch of elegance to the overall look. Step 4. Adjust the length of the pallu according to your preference. You can let it fall to your knees or keep it shorter, depending on the occasion and your comfort. You can let it fall loosely on your arm or pin it to your blouse for a more secure fit. Pinning the pallu ensures it stays in place, especially if you plan to move around a lot. And there you have it, a beautifully draped saree that exudes grace and sophistication. Practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if it takes a few tries to get it right. Remember, the saree is not just a piece of clothing, it's a symbol of cultural heritage and timeless beauty. Each drape tells a story, and now you're part of that tradition. With these steps, you can confidently drape a saree and carry it with poise. Enjoy the process and embrace the elegance that comes with wearing a saree. Once you have draped the saree, it's time to make adjustments for a neat and comfortable fit. Pay attention to the pleats, pallu, and overall silhouette. Ensure the pleats are evenly spaced and fall gracefully. You can adjust the width and depth of the pleats to suit your preference. The pallu should drape elegantly over your shoulder without feeling too bulky or overwhelming. Use safety pins strategically to secure the saree in place. Pin the pleats at the waistband, the pallu at the shoulder, and any other areas that need extra support. However, avoid using too many pins, as it can make the saree stiff and uncomfortable. Practice walking and moving around in the saree to ensure it feels comfortable and secure. Adjust the draping if needed until you achieve the desired fit and flow. For a wide selection of beautiful sarees, visit Shennon Superstore. Happy draping!